Hi everybody. I don't know if you're aware of this, but the new movie Dark Shadow by Tim Burton is now up in theater. And the first day that the movie come up, I had to drag my boyfriend there because I'm such a big fan of Tim Burton. And second of all, that was a vampire movie with Johnny Depp. So for me, it's like triple win. So I'm gonna do a little review for you, but I'm gonna be careful not to go into too much detail about this story. So if you have not seen the movie yet, you can still listen to me, and I'm not gonna tell you too much about the story. But basically, it's this guy Barnabas, which is played by Johnny Depp, which is a really wealthy young man, which family work in the fishing business industry, and the family was really rich, and that was really thing was really good for them. But they had this witch Angelique who was in love with Johnny Depp, and Johnny Depp was not in love with her. I should say Barnabas, not Johnny Depp. But she cursed him to be a vampire, which is, for me, be a vampire is really not a curse. Like, for the longest time I want to be a vampire, and I know I'm not alone in that. I know a lot of people want to be vampire, but for the longest time I wish I was a vampire. But she ended up buried in the sand for like what she thought was forever. So I guess it's a curse. I really don't want to be buried in the sand forever, so it's a pretty good curse, I guess. But somebody like 200 years after he was first buried find him, so he basically like wake up from death and everything, and he goes see like how the family business doing like 200 years after. And the family business not going so well, actually, because Angelique, which is a witch, so she's still alive. Now I'm starting a fishing company who's totally still the other fishing company that Johnny Depp parents first have. So the story is basically like Angelique and Johnny Depp fighting, and Johnny Depp helping the new family, taking care of the fishing business. And that was a really Tim Burton-esque movie. I was not disappointed about that. Even the human character was really strange and everything, which is what you expect for a Tim Burton movie. And they have a lot of rock and roll music in them. They have even Alice Cooper singing a couple of songs in the movie, so it's always a plus. But I thought the storyline was a little bit off, because Tim Burton sometimes it's always a strange universe, which I really love, but sometimes the story and the thing is a little bit off. Like I thought it was really like a Sweetie Todd, if you see that movie, the Sweetie Todd kind of dark story, but it was not. It was more like Alice in Wonderland movie as far as the storyline go. And I really love Alice in Wonderland by Tim Burton, but I thought the story can be better. And if you're talking about just vampire, it's not a good vampire movie. I'm really picky about vampire movie. I really think the vampire should be this charismatic character with everybody falling in love with them, really mysterious. And Johnny Depp character was kind of clumsy and goofy, which is, it's okay. That was not a vampire movie, just a vampire movie. But for me, I was a little bit disappointed in that. It's okay to be goofy a little bit, but for me, it was not a good vampire. For me, the vampire that I love to see in movie. But it was still good. I still recommend to see this movie. And yeah, that's basically my review on the movie, and hope you like it. See you in next video. Bye.